Hello viewer, I am Marco and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will unbox and share with you the process of installation of exhaust cover for my Yamaha R15 version 3. You know that there is already an exhaust cover available with our stock exhaust, but this is a different kind of exhaust cover. It is made up of some metal and I have purchased it from Amazon and it costed me around 1400. So now without wasting any more time, let's go straight and watch the unboxing followed by the installation process of the exhaust cover in my Yamaha R15 version 3. Here is the exhaust protector for Yamaha R15 version 3. You can see R15 version 3 is engraved on it. So it's looking extremely fantastic. It's damn shiny. And one more thing I must tell, that this is not a thin plastic, or it is not a thin metal, or it is not a thin tin, but it is made up of some thick metal sheet. So it will definitely protect stock exhaust cover of your Yamaha R15 version 3. And along with this cover, they have provided 2 Allen bolts which are longer than the stock bolts and 2 screws. Again, I am telling you that this is really a very good product. It will enhance the looks, or especially the side looks of your Yamaha R15 version 3. So now without wasting any more time, let's go straight and see the installation process of this exhaust protector in my Yamaha R15 version 3. Before installing this exhaust cover, I need to remove this stock exhaust cover screw. You don't need to remove this entire exhaust cover, but just you need to open these 2 screws. So now I will do that. And I will do the same thing with another Allen bolt also. You can see the length of these stock Allen bolts, and now I will show you the length of the Allen bolts provided with this exhaust cover. You can see here it is. This is the stock one and this is the provided bolt. So I think it is just the size of double. So if it is a half-inch one, then it is 1-inch one. I don't know if 1-inch one will be suitable for not, but I can tell you that it is not suitable until I fit it. So now I will install this without washers like this. I think without washer this will look much better. For installing, first adjust the hole centers. So I will try to install this one first, because this is making problem, or this is creating the problem. I think I have hit the right spot. They are tightened somehow, and I will install one more screw here in this hole. You can see one more hole is left. So now I will install this screw over here. You can see the screw is installed, and now the installation of exhaust cover on Yamaha R15 version 3 is finished. I will show you a complete looks of this. It's looking really fantastic. It's adding to the overall looks of the motorcycle. I am sure that it's looking stunning. Just take a close look of it. Oh, that's fantastic. In this video, I have shown you unboxing and installation of exhaust cover for Yamaha R15 version 3. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Show me your love in form of thumbs up. Share the video as many times as possible with your near and dear ones. And if you have anything to know from me regarding this exhaust cover, then feel free to put your comments in the comment box below. Thank you for watching till the end.